The first ever BMW iX2 follows the preceding and successful X2 series.
The main idea behind its design is to maximize the car's individuality.
When analyzing the X2 model line's proportions, the designer's intention to create a bold statement becomes apparent.
A dynamic and energetic silhouette underlines the car's expressive nature and completes its compelling coupe appearance. The extroverted and expressive nature of the iX2 really stands out when we look at its front.
For the first time in the BMW compact segment, the kidney grille can be illuminated.
Even when switched off, the kidney itself radiates with an impressive presence.
Its almost hexagonal shape and the connection create a visual width, presence and balance. The all-new BMW iX2 and X2 is lower than the BMW X1 and has a smaller windshield.
This creates a wide impression and gives the front a distinctive, sporty feel. The expressive rear of the iX2 features a simple design language as a deliberate choice to make its details shine.
In summary, the rear of the iX2 consists of big shoulders, flared wheel arches and muscular surfaces to create a sporty visual impact. The twin rear lights are positioned to further emphasize the car's wide stance.
The BMW X2 model range comes with a wide selection of fitting wheels.
As standard, all models come with 17-inch light alloy wheels. The size option for the X2 goes up to 21 inches.
And to get even more range out of each charge, the iX2 is available with aerodynamically optimized wheels, which go up to 20 inches. The exterior design along the BMW X2 range is clearly a dynamic and bold statement.
The iX2 stands as the first fully electric sport activity coupe in the BMW model lineup, introducing the compact segment to sheer electrified driving pleasure.
Spacious and powerful are attributes that come to mind looking into the interior of the iX2.
Strong digitization is evident here as it is across all BMW model lines. Modern display and control elements are perfectly placed for a functional car-driver interaction. The interior geometry positively affects the driving experience in the all-new iX2 substantially. A raised seating position and generous amount of space paired with the inherent cutting-edge functionality shape the signature sheer driving pleasure from the inside of the vehicle.
The sophisticated design of the armrests create an airy atmosphere that is topped with a slender instrument panel that offers the stage for the easy-to-reach frameless BMW curved display.
The 10.7-inch wide control display is angled towards the driver, bringing a state-of-the-art human digital touchpoint into the cabin.
Most digital features, such as the personalization feature My Modes, are available and customizable via the curved display. The iX2 features a re-envisioned, gorgeous interior design language.
The seats boast a bi-color design in Atlas Grey and Smoke White, an exclusive colorway of the X2.
A beautiful detail are the creatively positioned new seams on the dashboard, which come with an equally exclusive Sensitech fitting as an option.
The fully electric iX2 offers 525 liters of trunk space, which is more than its plug-in hybrid predecessor.
The second generation X2 comes with a surprising amount of space for its class. The human-centric interior design is one of many reasons why the all-new X2 model range offers the perfect combination of sportiness and functionality.
The first ever BMW iX2 is equipped with BMW Operating System 9, featuring BMW iDrive with Quick Select. BMW iDrive has been setting the standard for intuitive human-car interfaces for over 20 years.
The Quick Select concept is based on a zero-layer principle, bringing an improved menu structure.
A new graphical interface provides a clearer focus to operation via the touch screen on the curved display, as well as natural language. Together this creates a multisensory BMW iDrive experience.
To avoid distraction and contribute to an easy operation, the new zero-layer principle shows the driver all relevant functions and information at one glance.
The user interface allows to select the needed function without entering a submenu.
And to return to the home screen, a simple tap to the lower edge of the display is enough.
BMW iDrive with Quick Select for the Operating System 9 in the iX2 offers a high degree of personalization and customizability. For convenience and safety, live widgets appear in a vertical arrangement on the driver's side of the user interface.
All this is easily customizable according to the driver's preferences.
On top of that, the driver or a passenger can start the interaction with the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant by touch or by a voice command by saying,
Hey BMW, drive me to Bologna. The BMW iX2 comes with a sporty, agile handling and everyday use, soft off-road features, and decisive long-distance comfort. All available driving systems of the X2 model range offer incredibly sporty handling and precise controllability. BMW designers and engineers took particular care to offer handling that satisfies the highest demands.
The modular 3-link rear axle fitted to all model variants is ideal for sporty handling. The driver experiences serious support during dynamic cornering. A significant gain can be measured concerning steering precision and target accuracy.
This comes as no surprise, as highly pre-stressed stabilizer bearings are fitted. The result is a very good body support combined with smooth rolling comfort. We were able to fit a most sophisticated suspension and damping system to enhance the driver's and passengers' comfort on long journeys.
Modern lift-related dampers with an additional sleeve are added to reduce body movement when driving over small bumps, whilst ensuring excellent transient behavior in corners.
Let's make a long story short. The BMW iX2 is the perfect sports activity coupe that delivers the best of both worlds, sporty driving pleasure and long-distance comfort. BMW Digital Premium subscription marks the launch for a variety of convenient and entertaining digital services.
BMW Digital Premium extends the range of functions of the fully functional digital standard equipment with a monthly or a discounted annual subscription. The exact offer varies from region to region. BMW Digital Premium delivers enhanced BMW Maps functions such as colored and three-dimensional representation of roads and realistic visualization of lane guidance for complex exits and junctions.
With BMW Digital Premium in the iX2, charging stops become a welcomed treat. The customer gets access to third-party apps such as a variety of games and region-specific video streaming services.
The App Store is always evolving and all data usage is included within the BMW Digital Premium subscription. BMW Digital Premium in your iX2 gives you the possibilities to customize your interaction with the car to your liking.
The look of the intelligent personal assistant is customizable, and the feel of the car is also changeable with My Modes.
In addition to the 3 standard My Modes, BMW Digital Premium offers 3 more My Modes, giving the customer the interior and driving feel that relates to their mood at any moment. With BMW Digital Premium in the iX2, the customer can count on freshness, meaning regular updates and new content.
Of course, the familiar remote software upgrade is available for both subscribers of BMW Digital Premium and customers without a subscription.
BMW Digital Premium can be flexibly booked and cancelled via app, web, or in-car. With this new offer, BMW simplifies all digital offers in one carefree package.
With BMW Digital Premium, BMW takes the digital experience to the next level and turns long journeys and daily commutes into a pleasant drive.